Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. You guys, we're going to be doing garlic mashed potatoes. I'm going to show you an easy way to do a perfect mashed potato, you guys. Let's get into the ingredients. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. And if you're not, welcome back. We got something special. All right, you guys, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get ready to start boiling these red potatoes. So you see, we got red potatoes. You can use any kind. You can use Idaho potatoes, Yucatan potato. It just depends on what you like in your mashed potatoes. So in this garlic mashed potatoes, these are simple and easy. These are gonna be 4 large red potatoes chopped up evenly, you guys, and we're gonna get into boiling it. All right, you guys, so what we did was I have about 6 to 8 cups of chicken broth. You guys, we're gonna boil in there. So I always tell you, flavor is your friend. So we want to layer flavors in here. So you don't want to have no plain, mashed potatoes. But this is one way to get that flavor in, and not all this water is gonna be in it. So what you're gonna do is put all these potatoes in here, in your pot. That's why I said 6 to 8, because you want to make sure your potatoes is fully submerged and covered up. So that's about 6 cups of chicken broth in there. You can use water if you like, but like I said, flavor is your friend, you guys. And put your temperature on high, and we're gonna check back, look at this to when it get around, fork tender, real, because that's how you make these smooth garlic mashed potatoes, you guys. This is the only way to make these perfectly, garlic mashed potatoes. All right, you guys, so we're gonna get ready to do this custard, which we're gonna mix into our garlic mashed potatoes. This is how you get that creamy, rich, perfect garlic mashed potatoes. So what you wanna do is melt down 1 stick of real butter. Don't get no fake butter. You can get unsalted if you want, depending on your salt content or salt. What you next want to have is a cup of milk, a whole milk, half a cup of buttermilk. So these things we're gonna blend in, and also too, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of garlic, because this is garlic mashed potatoes. All right, you guys. So we're gonna blend these ingredients up first. So we're gonna add in, all your wet ingredients. Add those in first. Next, you want to add in. Oh, this is one of the secret ingredients, is about, to taste, but this is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of garlic ranch seasoning. So yes, so add that in as well, and then add in your garlic. If you don't want that much garlic, just put 1 tablespoon in, but this is supposed to be garlic mashed potatoes, and this is now if you don't want to make garlic mashed potatoes, you can use the same recipe and just leave the garlic out if you just want looking for mashed potatoes. Sorry, you guys. So I'm about to blend all these ingredients up, post it. All right, you guys, so now that we finished blending all the custard ingredients for this to make it really creamy, we're gonna pour everything in to start smashing it in. So what you wanna do, make sure you wanna have all your wet ingredients at room temperature, guys. So pour it all over. So you see it's already thick and creamy already. So you know how it's gonna turn out, you guys. All right, and we're gonna get to smashing. This, you gotta put a little arm into it, and don't worry about it. It might look like it's loose right now, but as you keep smashing, it's gonna get, real tender and stuff like that. So just keep smashing, until you get a whipped consistency. All right, you guys, so we got everything whipped up, smashed and everything, and it's the perfect mashed potatoes, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried this before. It's a wonderful dish to try. I think this is always the American favorite, is mashed potatoes. This is my twist on mashed potatoes with a little red potatoes if you want to try something different. If you're a red potato person, but you can use the same recipe for any type of potatoes, you guys. And I'm your Chef KC, and I hope to see you in the next one.